Welcome to Three Hags Wood Meadow. We took an arable field in 2012 and combined two of the UK's most exciting habitats, woodland and meadow, to create this new landscape.
A wood meadow, gaining the biodiversity and natural capital of both habitats. Take these young trees. These leaves are continually taking up carbon dioxide and turning it into woody matter.
A process called sequestration, helping to slow down climate change.
We know that woodland can store up to 12 tonnes of carbon every year per hectare, and meadow a further 3 tonnes.
At our feet is another little piece of biodiversity, red clovers and bird's foot trefoil. Their flowers attract many kinds of pollinating insects, especially bees, and help to maintain a stock of pollinators for our crops, part of natural capital. Clover also serves another function for us, fixing nitrogen from the atmosphere and incorporating it into the soil cycle so that other plants can take it up through their roots. So as you look around you, you can see a huge amount of biodiversity, much of which is delivering natural capital. But this really is the tip of the iceberg. Below our feet there are thousands of invertebrates living in the soil. Kilometres of fungal threads, some of which, the mycorrhizae, are vital for the growth of other plants, and countless bacteria. Soils hold much of the world's carbon. Anything that disturbs the soil or dries it out, like agricultural tillage or even inappropriate tree planting, can change the chemistry of the soil, so that the stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere again.
Visitors to the wood meadow often comment on the huge variety of flowers here.
Not only are they beautiful in their own right, but they support many pollinators.
Insect herbivores, and their invertebrate predators soon follow.
Since we made this wood meadow 7 years ago, entomologist Andy Grayson has discovered that over 1,000 species of invertebrates have arrived. An entire food web of feeding interactions with plants at the base.
A key to increasing biodiversity and natural capital is creating habitat diversity, not only woods and meadows, but the messy edges between them and features like ponds. A rich mosaic of niches for species to find. Just adding a pond to the wood meadow has attracted many more species to the system, such as dragonflies, damselflies, water beetles and pond snails. It also serves as a breeding pool for newts and frogs, which are important prey for our grass snakes.
Another thing nature does for us is provide a space for contemplation.
And if you just sit and wait, nature will come to you.
We strongly believe that habitat diversity is the key to the success of the wood meadow.
Both meadows and woodland have a rich diversity of their own, but by melding the two, we get the best of both worlds, for biodiversity and for natural capital.